Hey guys, Hamster Tech here. Just wanted to show you a cool gadget I built into this shelf. This is a double drawers. So basically it's to put all of the small stuff inside. So here are some capacitors, switches and electronics. Over here we have another small stuff like Arduino add-ons and stuff, LEDs, batteries. Both of these drawers can move to access all of the tiny drawers. So yeah, instead of putting one drawer box and then I can no longer add stuff in front of it. So I decided to make this kind of double slider. Now here are four, basically for stability. I first added one slider, but it was all wiggly. So here you go.